This is my Lelit PL41EM standard, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean it. First, let's see a kind of weekly cleaning. Weekly I put this reservoir into my dishwasher, or I simply rub it like this, wash it, and now it's very clean, but you can add some soap. Wash it like that, and then it's clean again. But the dishwasher is a good and easier option. That's one. This should be put in like this, not like that, because it is stronger over here. Good. For now we can leave it out. It will give some extra space. First we are going to remove the portafilter. The portafilter itself is something to clean too, and I do that with kitchen cleaner, which is a strong, extremely strong soap, which easily cleans all coffee deposits, I have discovered. And with a blue or white sponge, not a green one, because those can scratch. They can scratch. You can easily rub off all the deposits. Or with a brush to clean all the holes. And that's it for the portafilter. Good. That's number 2 for weekly cleaning. Then there is a small screw in the middle that you can screw out with a hexagonal wrench. And by unscrewing that, you can see this sieve. Right now it's not dirty. I will clean it anyhow. I cleaned it last week, and since in this week apparently I never overfilled it, I never overfilled the portafilter, it has stayed quite clean. But you can have some serious brown deposits over there, so you can easily use some soap again if you like, and then clean it with a brush. Okay, that's clean too. We are not going to screw it back for now, because I'm going to show you how you can do a monthly cleaning from the part that is up there. I don't know if I can show it to you, but it's up there. I will show it to you with the other camera. That has 2 screws. Not in the middle, of course. I'm going to remove 1 screw for now. And then the other screw over there. It's quite heavy, so take care. And if your machine is still hot, then simply don't do this job. You can see some deposits over there. Again, I cleaned it last week, so there is not much deposit right now. Also this, it has an O-ring. And I clean it again with this kitchen cleaner. So I leave it there for the moment, because I'm also going to clean this part over there by simply spraying some of this strong soap. But I should first have pulled out with something, a kind of hook, this rubber gasket, a very important gasket, but because that prevents leaking of the portafilter. I clean it with the soap, which I sprayed on the lower part of. Good, leave it like that. Now I'm going to use a brush. Take care not to spill on my camera lens. That doesn't need any soap. It won't die from it, but it's not what I like. What is very useful to use are tabs, and rub the inside there where the gasket is placed until it's clean. Especially the gasket area, you can clean it like that. With kitchen paper you can rub it clean again. Take something that fits around this, fill it with water, and rinse it like that. Then I activate the apparatus and inject water. Okay, well, good. Now, first you need to refit the gasket. This gasket is 4 years old and it is starting to leak. I'll put it upside down now. I ordered an O-ring and a new gasket, but that didn't arrive yet, so I'll place this one back again. Take this part, put a screw inside with the hexagonal wrench, then put the O-ring on top, like that, and then take a good look where my screw holes are, or feel it. It's in the middle and over there. I'm not at the right spot yet. But now I am, I think, yes. tighten it. Do not over tighten. Like that is enough. Good. Now the small sieve, or the distributor, can give it any name you like, not very critical. Check if everything is in place, and that's it. And this is how it looks like when everything is clean. After each cup of coffee, or at least every day, you rub this clean after having emptied the portafilter. You rub this clean to avoid any clogging or any accumulation of coffee dirt.